Welcome to my class, Uncle J. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing. If this is your first time of watching my channel, please click the button subscribe. We are still on indices, lesson 5. We have done lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. This is lesson 5. And if you have not watched from lesson 1 to 4, do well and watch it so that you can follow up. What we have is a bit difference today, where I title it indices slash substitution. Indices slash substitution. Find the value of the expression 32 over 81 s raised power 3 minus 64 over 27 s raised power 2 minus 81 over 16 s raised power minus 3 when s is equals to minus 3 over 4. In this type of mathematical question, you have been told that anywhere you see s, replace it with minus 3 over 4. So s is a known figure here, just to replace it and solve. So what we are going to do now is solution 32 over 81 times s raised to power 3. So we have known s to be minus 3 over 4 raised to power 3. Then minus 64 over 27 times x raised to power. We have s is known times minus 3 over 4 all raised to power 2 minus 81 over 16 times minus 3 over 4 all raised to power minus 3. Okay, we can actually expand and multiply. This will be 32 8 over 81 times, this thing means minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3. Okay, it simply means minus 3 raised to power 3 over 4 raised to power 3. So which will now give you which minus 64 over 27 times minus 3 raised to power 2 over 4 raised to power 2 minus 81 over 16 times, if you want to remove this power minus 3 raised to power minus 3, you do invert or reciprocal. 4 will go up and the 3 will go down. So we now have is times 4 over 3 minus 3 all raised to power 3. We have removed the negative, all raised to power 3. So what we did to remove the negative here is to invert it or do the reciprocal. So we can now solve out here. So what we have here is 32 over 81 times minus 3 raised to power minus 3. Minus 3 times minus 3 will give me minus 9 times minus 3 again, minus 27. So I now have minus 27 over 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 again 64 over So we can actually solve this one at minus 64 over 27 times minus 3 times minus 3 will give me plus 9. So will give me 9 over 4 times 4 will give me 16. 16. Then minus the last one, 81 over 16. 81 over 16 times 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 60. 16 times 4 is 68. 64. 6, 4 over 6, 4 over 3. 3 times 3 minus 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times minus 3 minus 27. Minus 27. Okay? So what we now have is 32. You can actually solve it like this. So what we now have is 32 over 81 times minus 27 over 64 minus 64 over 27 times 9 over 16 minus 81 over 16 times 64 over minus 27. You can cancel out, 9 can go here, 9 go here, we have 9. 9 go here, we have minus 3. Minus 3. Then 32 divide itself 1, divide 64 will give me 2. So what I have is minus 3 over 9 times 2. Then I can reduce this one also by saying 16 go here 1, 16 go here will give me 4. Then 9 go here 1, 9 go here will give me 3. So I have minus 4 over 3. Then I can reduce this one also. 16 go here 1, 16 go here 4. Okay. Then 9 go here 3, minus 3. 9 go here 9, minus 9 times 4 over minus 3. Okay. So I'm now going to have minus 3 over 18 minus 4 over 3 minus 36 over minus 3. I can still simplify. 3 go here, 1 go here is 6. So I have minus 1 over 6 minus 4 over 3 minus 3 go here, 1 go here, will give me 12. So I have 2 minus here, minus 12. So when minus occur 2 times, this one will automatically turn to plus. So I have plus 12. Okay, I can find the LCM. Let me work it out. Find the LCM. What I have there is minus 1 over 6 minus 4 over 3 plus 12. LCM here is 12 over 1. LCM here is 6. 6 divided 6 will give me 1. 1 times minus 1, minus 1. Then 3 divided 6. 6 divided by 3 will give me 2. 2 times minus 4 will give me minus 8. Then 1 divided 6 will give me 6. 6 times plus 12 will give me plus 72. Plus 72. So by the time you work it out, you now have minus 9, because minus 1 minus 8 will give minus 9 plus 72. Okay, plus 72. Plus 70 all over 6, which will give me minus 9 plus 72 will give me plus 63. 63. You know? Yes. Plus 63 over 6. 6 divide itself. 6 divide itself will give me 1. 6 divide 3 cannot go 0. And remain, that means 6 divide 63 will give me 3, 3. No, 10, 10 remainder 3. 3 over 6. You can further simplify. You now have 10 whole number 1 over 2. So final answer.